Dear students, in this video we will discuss about Gayal Brothers Prakashan, Grammar Success with Composition, Class 6, Chapter number 1, Remembering Nouns. Okay, so here let's recall words which are used as the names of persons, animals, places or things are called nouns. So all the naming words called as nouns. Okay. So here proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, collective noun, material noun, right? So these are the different types of nouns. Okay, you have already read about in the previous class. Okay, so here proper nouns always starts with a capital letter and it gives the proper name of a place, a person, animals, right, or maybe things. This is proper nouns. Then common nouns are the names of common people, places, animals, things of the same class or kind, right? So here proper nouns name specific persons, place or things. Here okay, some examples are provided here. Chennai is a proper noun because it is the name of a specific city. No other city is called Chennai. So proper noun gives the names of proper particular. Proper means particular name of a person, things or place, right? Proper nouns always begins with a capital letter. So this is the most important point. You have to remember the difference between common and proper noun. Proper noun always starts with a capital letter and it indicates the particular and proper name. Okay. And here common nouns are non-name. Common nouns name non-specific persons, places or things. So okay. Man is the name of any man or every man or of every man. Gopal, Mr. Swami or Mr. Swami or Hari, each one called man. So it does not point out any particular man, right? So here underline the proper nouns and circle the common nouns in each sentence given below. Okay. So here the first one, the students travel to Pune by train. Okay. The first here common noun says students. So you have to follow the instruction of the question. Okay, you have to underline the proper nouns and circle the common nouns. Okay, so you have to circle the common nouns. Students and also train. This is common noun and proper noun Pune. So you have to underline proper nouns, right? Then next here the tourist from Greece visited the Red Fort in Delhi. So here common noun is common noun tourist. So you have to circle the common noun and underline the proper noun. Proper noun Greece and Red Fort as well as Delhi. Okay. Then next here Mrs. Anita taught me English when I was in class 5. So here proper noun Mrs. Anita. So you have to underline proper noun and another proper noun English. Okay. Then common noun class 5. So you have to circle common noun. Okay. Then next here my grandmother tells us many fairy tales at night before we sleep. So here yes common nouns grandmother. So you have to circle. Okay, grandmother, then fairy tales and night. Okay, grandmother, fairy tales and night. Then next here the Times of India is one of the oldest newspapers of our country. So here common noun is newspaper. So you have to circle the common nouns and another common noun country. Okay, and proper noun the name of the newspaper Times of India. So you have to underline. Okay. Then next here my mother teaches maths in Global School Noida. So here common nouns yes mother. Okay. So you have to circle and maths. This is common noun and proper noun yes Global School Noida. So you have to underline proper noun, right? So here math, this is not a proper noun. So just look at the first letter. Okay, as well as this is the name of a subject, but it is not a proper noun. This is a common noun. Okay. Then next year the girls wanted to watch the TV, but the boys wanted to play a game. So here yes common nouns. There are 4 common nouns. Girls. So you have to circle girls. Then TV. Then boys and game. 4 common nouns are there in this sentence. Then next here Rajan, don't go out and play in the rain. So here proper noun. So proper noun always starts with a capital letter. So here R. Okay, this is the name of a boy. So you have to underline the proper noun and circle rain. This is common noun. Okay. Then next here what You have lost your tiffin box again, Sita. So, common noun here, tiffin box. So, you have to circle. And proper noun, this is the name of a girl. So, you have to underline Sita. This is a proper noun. Then next year, my favorite book is The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. So, here book, this is a common noun because there are different types of books. Okay. So, this is common noun. So, you have to circle common noun. And, this is the particular name of a book, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. So, you have to underline. Okay. Then next here, given below is a list of common nouns. Provide a proper noun for each of the following. The first one has been done for you as an example. Okay. So here the first one is already provided. Then next the remaining you have to do on your own. Do you know a desert? Okay, the Sahara, right? Then next you have to write a country. Okay. Then next you have to write a city. So here the answer. Okay, so you can write city, Mumbai, okay, Delhi, right? And you should start the proper noun with a capital letter, right? Sahara. Then next year a country, okay, India. Then you can also mention other name of the countries here, okay. Then river, the Ganges, okay. So here G should be capitalized. Then an island, Sri Lanka, okay. S should be capitalized. Then a sea, the Arabian Sea, A should be capitalized. An ocean, the Indian Ocean, okay. I-O should be capitalized. Then next a mountain peak, Mount Everest, M should be capitalized and E also should be capitalized. Then a continent, Asia, okay. Then planet, Jupiter, Earth. Then next a lake, Dal Lake. Then next here a bay, the Bay of Bengal, right? Then a temple, Rajgopal Swami temple, okay. Then next year a festival, Holi and Diwali. Then a state, Odisha, okay. Then a book, Robinson Crusoe, okay. So here Robinson Crusoe, okay. Then a movie, Rang De Basanti. You can also mention other movie, okay. A comedian, Charlie Chaplin, okay. Then actor, Amir Khan, right. Then a day, Sunday, right. Then next here, read the pairs given below, pick out the proper nouns and write them with a capital letter. The first one has been done for you as an example. So, a language, Bengali, this is a language and proper noun should start with a capital letter. But here, B is written in small. So, you have to rectify it, okay. Bengali. Then a book, Ramayana. So, here the answer. Okay, so here the second one, Red Fort building. Okay, so here, so Red Fort, this is the name of a building, so you should start with the capital letter. Then next a book, Ramayana. So, a book is a common noun, Ramayana, proper noun, so R should be capitalized. Then a park, common noun and eco park, proper noun, so it should be capitalized. Okay. A month, February, month common noun and February, this is proper noun, so it should be start with a capital letter. Tuesday, this is proper noun, so you should capitalize the first letter, okay. Then a day, day is a common noun, okay. Then next Asoko, a boy, boy common noun and Asoko proper noun, so it should be capitalized. A girl, Minna, so girl, this is common noun, Minna, proper noun, so so M should be capitalized. A subject, Sanskrit, so subject, this is common noun and Sanskrit, it is the name of a subject, so you should start with capital letter, Sanskrit S. Then Aurangzeb, okay, he is the king, okay. King, this is a common noun and Aurangzeb, this is a proper noun, so you should start with a capital letter. Virat Kohli, cricketer, right. So cricketer, common noun, this is a proper noun, so V should be capitalized and also K. Clear? Then next here, the statesman, okay. So, this is the name of a particular newspaper. So this is yes, newspaper, common noun and this is proper noun, so you should start the letter, start with capital letter, right. Then next here a river, Ganges, okay. So this is a common noun, river, and this is proper noun, so it should be capitalized, the first letter. A village, Rampur, the village, common noun, Rampur, proper noun, so R should be capitalized. Clear? Then next here, So here the things given in the box are very useful for different purposes. Use them to fill in the blanks. Okay. So here words are already provided. So you have to use this okay box, right? So you know an dash is used to carry sick or injured people to hospital, right? So yes, an ambulance. So here you have to write an ambulance, right? Then next a dash is used for clicking photos. You know camera, right? So here you have to write camera. A camera is used for clicking photographs. So here then next here a dash is used to measure the pressure of air. Yes, a barometer is used to measure the pressure of air. Then next a dash indicates different direction. You know compass, right? Then next a dash is a place where different animals are kept. You know yes, a zoo. Then next a dash is a place where birds and animals are kept. You know a sanctuary. Yes, sanctuary. Then next a dash is a place where antiques and you know art facts are kept, right? So, you know museum. Then next year a dash gives information of different weeks, days and months. Yes, you know calendar. Then next year an dash is a place where different functions are organized. You know an auditorium. Okay. A dash is a place where one can see movies. You know theater. Then next year and dash gives information of different countries, town, continents. You know an atlas. Then next year a dash is needed to measure temperature of the body. You know yes, thermometer, right? Then next year a dash can be consulted to find out the meanings of different. A dictionary can be used, right? A dash is needed to keep things cool in hot water. You know fridge. Then next year a dash is needed to grind things to fine powder or you know paste, mix. Okay. Clear? The remaining parts will be discussed in the next video. So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay. Thank you.